In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Then tap on Audio at the top, locate your file in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, hold it and tap on Select to attach it. In case of a video one, use Gallery section instead of Files, and tap on your video here if it's recent. If it's not, select Folders, look for it here, and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!